Hello class, welcome. For today's video, we are going to discuss Music 9 Quarter 1 Module 1. Music of Medieval Period. Learning Objectives. Music of the Medieval Period, 700 to 1400. The Medieval Period, or Middle Ages, began after the fall of the Roman Empire and saw the Christian Church shaping European culture and politics. Monophonic plainchant, endorsed by Pope Gregory I, became popular and was eventually notated to spread its use across Europe. Gregorian chants. Gregorian chants are a form of plainchant, or monophonic, unaccompanied sacred music used in the Christian liturgy. Named after Pope Gregory I, who organized and codified them in the 6th century. Characteristics of Gregorian chants. Number 1. Monophonic. It means music with just one single melody line, with only one note played or sung at a time. Number 2. Free meter. It refers to a type of musical rhythm that doesn't follow a regular time signature or beat. In music with free meter, the timing and rhythm are flexible and not confined to a structured pattern, allowing the performer to interpret the rhythm more freely. Number 3. Modal. Modal music uses scales, called modes, instead of the usual major and minor scales. These modes are different patterns of notes that give music a unique sound and mood. For example, the Dorian, Lydian, and Mixolydian modes are types of modes used in modal music. Number 4. Based on Latin liturgy. Latin liturgy refers to religious ceremonies or rituals conducted in Latin, commonly associated with the Catholic Mass. Number 5. Use of neume notation. In plainsong, a neume is a symbol that represents one or more notes sung to a single syllable of text. Troubadour music, created by the troubadours in southern France from the 11th to 13th centuries. It was secular music performed at courts and social gatherings, focusing on themes of chivalry and courtly love. Characteristics of troubadour music, usually monophonic, sometimes with improvised accompaniment. Tells of chivalry and country love. Duplication of the France music. Written in French language. Famous composer of the medieval period. Adam de la Halle, France, 1237 to 1288. Adam le Bossu, or Adam the Hunchback, was a trouvère, poet, and musician from Arras. Educated at the Cistercian Abbey of Vassals, he is known for chansons, jeux partis, and early polyphonic music. His notable works include Le Jeu de Robinette de Marion, the earliest surviving secular French musical play, and La Chanson du Roi de Sicile. Adam de la Halle, Le Jeu de Robinette de Marion.
Please check out the link for full video.
Adam de la Halle, La Chanson du Roi de Sicile.
Please check out the link for full video.
Gregorian chant of the medieval period, Diem Verum.
Please check out the link for full video.
Pinoy Gregorian. I hope you learned something in our video presentation. Stay tuned to learn more. God bless.